Oh, are you okay? She tripped on your gunboat.
Oh, you got long hair.
But do I look pretty?
Yeah, that's take a video.
No, really?
Yeah.
Do I look cool? Nah, do I look cool?
It's a Hello Kitty wig thing. Grampy's silly. Do you want Grampy to walk around with that on? Yeah? Really?
How do I look now?
Really?
I look pretty good, don't I?
Take a picture.
Okay, that's good.
Take the picture of the front and the back.
I'm done.
Elise, what's Grampy look like with that on?
Like a lady.
He looks like a lady. With a beard?
Yeah.
Aww.
I wear it.
I want to see what you look like.
Oh, cute.
Oh, you look so cute. Yes, you do.
Like it.
You don't like it, okay.
I want to wear it. Take a picture
Okay.
of me wearing it.
Okay,
You scoot over.
put it on, honey.
Ow.
Oh, Sophia Gigi. Oh, Sophia Gigi. She's my sugar plum pie. Oh, Sophie. Oh, that's backwards.
Oh.
Goofball.
Sorry. I didn't know it.
Sophia's 5. And Elise is 3. And Grampy is almost 59.
Grampy is 106. Wait, he's 100.
He's 100. Grampy's 100? Really?
Yeah.
Is that old or what?
It's tall.
Oh, I like your ankle bracelet. That's cute. And you're wearing my purple watch.
Wait, I got it on! It's backwards!
I know, and you got such pretty curly hair.
That's my Angry Bird. Don't open the box.
Okay, shut her down.
This thing